Okay, so you want to drink some coffee, but it's hot out. Well, cold brew is here for you, and it's incredibly easy to make on your own. Life Kit is here to tell you how. All you'll need is some coffee, a grinder, something to filter the coffee, a couple containers to actually, put the coffee in, and some time. There's a bunch of recipes out there on the right way to get the right brew that tastes just perfect. But here's the simplest. Step 1, start out with some good beans and then grind them. Don't go too much, you're looking for a rough, coarse texture. How much coffee should you grind? Well, the question of brew ratio, or how much coffee to water, is like asking what kind of music do you like or how do you like your eggs. It's all a matter of taste. We talked to a coffee expert who gave us his opinion.
I actually prefer 1:7 or 1:8, which gives a rather soft extract.
I like starting out with a 1:4 ratio, so 1 cup of ground coffee per 4 cups of water. Why? Because it's a little punchier, but really because it's an easier number to remember and do math with if I'm going up or down in size. Step 2, put the grounds in a container. Step 3, add your water, stir, cover, and step 4, just leave it there. Coffee nerds debate over how long to brew, with some recommending 12 to 24 hours. Professor Yuritsian says that amount of time is a little overkill.
In 5-6 hours, you have extracted most or essentially all relevant flavor-active compounds.
He says going over 6 hours adds a little more acidity to the coffee, and you can leave it at room temperature, or if you feel squeaky about it from a food safety perspective, you can stick it in the fridge, though that'll slow down the extraction process slightly. Once it's ready, run it through a filter twice. You can use a fine mesh sieve or like a cheesecloth, and then run it through a paper filter one more time. And that's it. Chill or serve over ice and enjoy.